Hello everyone, how are you my English Knights? Guys, today I am here with a new video, English grammar, adjectives. Guys, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक व शेयर ज़रूर करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें जिससे कि मेरी नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए। ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट वीडियो है जो कि पीजीटी और ऑल कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि एडजेक्टिव्स आते ही आते हैं। तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि चलिए बच्चों के लिए एक यूज़फुल वीडियो बना देती हूँ। डू वी स्टार्ट? ओके, स्टार्ट नाउ। English grammar. You are looking some objects here, that is keys, and these are the images, colorful images you are looking here. These fruits are red. This is mouse, walking mouse. Some more images you are looking here, that is yellow flower, red, purple, and many vegetables, many leaves, a cut trees, a flower with leaves, a flower with petals, a bloomed flower, a dried tree, a walking red color car. So, what have you understood by this? I hope you can guess. That is, these are adjectives. This is must know what are adjectives. Adjectives are the words that describes or modifies noun and pronoun. What does these words indicate? You are looking some vegetables, fresh, these are fresh. Which kind of vegetables are these? These are fresh vegetables. These are fresh vegetables. This is a shape. Which kind of shape is this? This is hexagon. You are looking one thing here. What is this? This is contents of books. It also indicates to the size. This is a large size. This is a short size. This is too small. This is very small. This also indicates to the duration. How much time? This is the symbol of the duration, that is 24 hours. Okay. What are you looking here? Surprised, happy, angry, unhappy. What do you understand by these similes? This is surprised. How? Happy. That is, these are feelings. Adjectives. Here are type of adjectives. Types of adjectives. proper adjective, quantitative, demonstrative, interrogative, quantitative, numeral, distributive adjectives and possessive adjectives. The formula of this P, Q, D, I, Q and DP. P, Q, D, I, Q and D, P. P, Q, D, I, Q and D, P. This is the formula. How to remind adjectives, how to remember adjectives. So, I hope now you have understood the kinds of adjectives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So, now guys, you have understood that adjectives are of 8 kinds. Descriptive or proper adjective. So, students, here I will tell you what are descriptive or proper adjective. You are looking something in this slide. What is this? This is a tourist place. Which kind of place is this? This is tourist place. Innocent lady. Which kind of lady is this? Innocent lady. Which kind of umbrella is it? This is a colorful umbrella. So, now you have understood descriptive, that is description or quality. Quality. Which kind of place? This describes the quality of this place. And which kind of lady is this? This is innocent lady. This is colorful umbrella. Which kind of umbrella is this? This is colorful umbrella. Describe or quality of a pronoun. Noun or pronoun. Quality adjective, quality or descriptive. Describe the quality of a noun or pronoun. That is size. That is which kind of thing is this? Is this short or long? Age 5 years old, 10 years old, 9 years old, 12 years old, 100 years old. This is age. Shape. Is that round? Is that oval? Is that triangle? Is that rectangle? So, it describes shape. Color. That is, it is red color, it is yellow color, it is blue color, it is black color. Material. Material means that is the gold ring, the silver ring, the silver color, the silver gray or black horse or blue pen, gray pencil, etc., etc. Origin. That is, he is American, he is Indian, he is a Russian, he is a Chinese. Purpose is that the function was of award ceremony or marriage party or birthday party or etc. General description, that is, he is fat, he is thin, she is old, she is black or she is etc., etc. Now comes quantitative adjectives. Quantitative, which describes the quantity of noun or pronoun. Quantity, that is how much or how many. many, few, lots, more, enough, little, a little, some, much, few, a few, the few. Such types of things, such type of words describes that it is quantitative. Quantitative, how much or how many, ये कितना है और कैसे है. Now I will tell you the meaning of these words. Enough means पर्याप्त और sufficient. Many, many means बहुत से. Few, few means कुछ. Lots, lots means बहुत सारे. More, more means उससे ज़्यादा. That is, he has more pens than me. Little, little means छोटा. A little means और छोटा. और एक होता है the little. सबसे छोटा और कम. Some means कुछ. Much means अधिक. Not much I have, मेरे पास ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. Okay, let's go forward. Demonstrative, ऑब्जेक्टिव, एडजेक्टिव्स. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव मीन्स जो डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करते हैं, किसी चीज़ को शो करते हैं, इंडिकेट करते हैं, उन्हें कहते हैं डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव. दिस पास के लिए नियर, और दिस ऑल्सो फॉर नियर. दिस इज फॉर फार, दिस इज ऑल्सो फॉर फार, दूर. Far objects. You are looking a hat. This is a hat. So this indicates that this is near. That is an ice cream. Where is ice cream? This is too far. Far. So this is an ice cream, that is an ice cream. ये बहुत दूर है ना? Am I right? This is too far. These are trifles. Where are the trifles? These are near. These, यही तो है. That is a bag. This is far. It is far from here. What are these? These are slippers. But when these are too far from us, so these are called, those are slippers. Those are slippers. Okay students, I hope now you will understood the use of these and those. These means यह, दोज मीन्स दैट मीन्स वह, दीज मीन्स यह, दीज मीन्स ये, और दोज मीन्स वे, दैट मीन्स वह एक। एक से अधिक, एक कचड़िया, अनेक चिड़िया, एक गिलहरी, अनेक गिलहरियाँ, एक तितली, अनेक तितलियाँ। जैसे आपने सुना होगा यह वह। देखो यह एक लड़का है, वह एक लड़की है, तो इसे कहेंगे डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स। इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स। इंटेरोगेटिव मीन्स क्वेश्चन मार्क। हु, अब देखिए ये W वर्ड से स्टार्ट होते हैं। हु, हुज, होम, वाई, हाउ, विच, व्हाट, वेयर, व्हेन। हु माने हु मीन्स कौन, हुज मीन्स किसका, होम मीन्स किसको, वाई, वाई मीन्स क्यों, हाउ, हाउ मीन्स कैसे, विच मीन्स कौन सा, व्हाट मीन्स क्या, वेयर मीन्स कहाँ, when मीन्स कब। बच्चों जब ये कंजंक्शंस बन जाते हैं तो तब इनका यूज हो जाता है। जब हम इन्हें किसी दो सेंटेंस को जोड़ने में यूज करते हैं तब ये बन जाता है कंजंक्शन। What is your name? The usage of these words, what is your name? Which book is this? Whose pen is this? When did you born? How many children are there? Now comes numeral. Numeral यानी कि numbers. Numeral describes numbers. Definite numeral, indefinite numeral and distributive numeral. Definite numeral क्या होते हैं? जो definite होते हैं, जैसे these are of two types. Ordinal number जैसे first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth and so on many more. Now comes cardinal. Cardinal means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are cardinal numbers. Indefinite numeral. Indefinite that is not definite is called indefinite. That is all, many, certain, no, some, etc. etc. All means सब. Many means मैंने आपको अभी पीछे वाली स्लाइड में भी बताया था, बहुत. Certain means निश्चित. No means कोई नहीं. Some means कुछ. Distributive numeral. Distributive, who distribute? Distribute means होता है बांटना. जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, हम देखिए ईच मीन्स प्रत्येक. एवरी हर एक, ईदर मीन्स किसी को भी, और कोई भी, और नीदर मीन्स कोई नहीं। Did you get? I hope all you got. These what are the types of adjectives? Distributive adjectives. Distributive means बंटवारा करना, बांटना, तो बांटने वाला। Distributive adjectives refers to each and every person और ईच एंड एवरी थिंग इंडिविजुअली, जो मतलब इंडिविजुअली अलग अलग करके, जैसे ईच मीन्स अभी मैंने आपको लास्ट स्लाइड में बताया था प्रत्येक। ये किसके लिए आता है? काउंटिंग के लिए, जिसे हम काउंट कैन बी काउंटेड। एवरी मीन्स कैन नॉट बी काउंटेड। एवरी मीन्स भी प्रत्येक, बट कैन नॉट बी काउंटेड, दैट इज फॉर मनी। बहुत सारे, गैदरिंग के लिए आता है ये। ईदर मीन्स कोई भी, और नीदर मीन्स कोई भी नहीं, कोई भी नहीं, ना तो तुम। ईदर मीन्स ईदर और, या तो तुम या फिर ये। एवरी सिटीजन इज इंडियन, एवरी सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया इज इंडियन। ईच मीन्स ईच स्टूडेंट ऑफ द क्लास। You must purchase neither car. तुम्हें किसी को भी कार नहीं खरीद, कोई सी भी कार नहीं लेनी है। That is neither this car, neither his car, not that. ना तो ये कार लेनी है और ना ही वो कार लेनी है। Take either pen whichever you would like to take. तुम कोई सा भी पेन ले लो, जो तुम चाहो उसे ले लो। The two women had each a necklace. दो वुमेन जिनके दोनों के पास अपना अपना नेकलेस है। Every student was punctual in his class, in the school. हर एक बच्चा, इस स्कूल का हर एक बच्चा पंक्चुअल था। Now comes possessive. Possessive means one who possession of the noun or pronoun, person or few people. Possessive means property, एक तरह से relation, ये उसका है। Such as their, her, my, its, your, our and his. Now understand this with example. Possessive adjective, अब क्या होते हैं possessive adjectives? क्या होते हैं? We have tried to their instruction there. His sentences are too complex. His father is a well businessman. My, you could not read her writing. You could not do his lunch. Our teacher taught us to write the notes. हमारे टीचर ने हमें नोट्स लिखने बताए। Your voice is too wonderful to appreciate. तुम्हारी वॉइस इतनी वंडरफुल है जितना कि मतलब जितना अप्रिशिएट करा जाए। Your voice is too wonderful to appreciate. तुम्हारी वॉइस इतनी भी अच्छी नहीं है कि हम उसे अप्रिशिएट कर सकें। रिमूव टू का यूज होता है इसमें। योर हाउस इज टू बिग, योर हाउस इज वेरी बिग और ब्यूटीफुल। Okay students, I hope you have understood the use of adjectives and its types. Students, in my next video I will come with a new topic, that is adverb, and I have already made the videos of noun, pronoun, verbs. If you like my channel, if you like my videos, share it and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you may get the latest updates of my video. Okay students, since then, bye bye.